guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezinma and with me is Nina is with me today, my little helper. Today we're going to be organizing and decluttering the kids room, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm a Nigerian mommy YouTuber based in Bristol, UK, and on my channel I just share videos centered on motherhood, lifestyle, reviews, speed cleaning, you know, like so general lifestyle videos. Yeah, if that is the kind of content that you love watching, do stick around. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will show you guys how I organize and declutter the kids room, and then I'll do a quick speed cleaning of the kids room. So guys, Nina, are you ready?
Yes!
This is the kids' bed. I'm going to change the duvet and the bed sheets and put new ones there. I'm also going to do the same thing for Nina's bed as well. So this one is just their laundry bag. So I need to take the clothes in here to wash. I need to wash all the clothes in here. And then this is the kids' drawer. So I tried to, you know, remove Nina's things, so that's what's up here. So I'm going to put each and every one of them back here. And this is the current state of Milan's one. Milan's one needs proper, you know, organizing. Right here is just like some files for, you know, like different files basically. So I'm not going to do this one today. So this, say hi Milan. So Milan is here as well. So this is the wardrobe, guys. Take a look at the state of this wardrobe. I've been meaning to get like coordinating hangers for the kids wardrobe for a long time now, but I've not been able to. Basically I just use like the hangers from shopping when I buy their clothes. As you can see, these are like the hangers that come with their clothes. That's part of the hangers I use. Or I use this type. These ones I got them when, you know, I was expecting a baby, so it's been a long time since I got hangers for them. But anyway, I'm going to sort this whole place out. So this area is where I put their, oops, that one's gone down. So this area is where I put their jumpers and cardigans. I'm going to sort this out. This one has all the kids, like their gloves for winter time. This one I will sort out as well. Under here is the kids' shoes. It's proper, it's sorted here because I usually tell them to put, you know, before they put their shoes here, they have to make sure they pair them together. So yeah, these are the kids' shoes right here. So I really don't need to do much here. I just need to like use a cloth to clean, you know, the wardrobe. But I'm going to show you guys how I get on. So yeah, this is another storage space we've got here. Nina and Milan are going to help me organize their books over there, and we've got some spaces for like this one. So this one is where I put all their pants. We're going to sort that out. Over here, you know, some bunch of clothes as well that need folding. We just need to generally sort out the clothes in all of this drawers. So yeah, kids, are you guys ready to?
Yes!
Milan, are you ready as well?
Yes!
Alright, so let's get on into this video. So I'm going to start by putting Nina's clothes in here, and then the kids are just going to put their toys in the toy box. Okay. this downstairs because that's the laundry, and these ones as well, I need to wash them. They are the old beddings. I need to wash these ones. Then I need to vacuum the floor. So yeah, now let us tidy up the top of this place. So these clothes are the clothes that are no longer the kid size. Like I've got a bag where I put all of them, so I'm going to take them to charity. Like these are just like little sizes. Yes, I'm going to take them to charity. Then here I put like our hair products in here, so anytime I need to make their hair, if I'm going downstairs, I just take this bag with me to make their hair downstairs. Or if you know, just something mobile that I can move about. So the hair bag is here. This one is Nina's doll head. She normally plays with this one. This is just the I'm a girly doll head. And now I'm going to start tidying up the wardrobe before I now finish up this room.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
And hats and all of that. So I'm just going to put these items. I'm going to squeeze them in here because we don't have a lot of space. Space is just like the bane of our life here. So I'm going to squeeze them in there. Okay. Go around it.
up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah.
So this is the finished look of the room. It's all clean and clear now. The beds are made. So let me show you the drawers. So the drawers are nicely organized now. That's Nina's drawer. And this is Milan's drawer, nicely organized in the Marie Kondo style. This is the wardrobe. Okay. So this is the wardrobe. I've been able to tidy this place up and, you know, sort out the clothes, the jumpers.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up